Are you struggling to use Dagger multibinding across different Gradle modules? You're not alone. This is a common challenge for many developers, and today we're going to unravel this mystery together. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when you think you've set everything up correctly, only to find that your multibinding isn't working as expected. You're definitely not the only one facing this issue. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. A user recently asked if it's possible to populate a Dagger multibinding across multiple Gradle modules. They provided a detailed setup, mentioning that their app has a navigation drawer with items contributed from different modules. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this and find a solution. So what's the issue here? The Dagger documentation suggests that you can bind several objects into a collection across different modules using multi-bindings. However, the user found that not all contributions were collected as expected. Let's break this down. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a crucial tip that could save you a lot of headaches when working with Dagger. To begin solving this issue, the user should ensure that all Gradle modules are correctly set up to contribute to the multi-binding. This involves defining the multi-binding in a parent module. Next, the user needs to ensure that each contributing module, like the legal and user modules, properly provides their navigation entries. This is done using the @provides and @inteset annotations. After setting up the modules, the user should check the component dependencies in the application lifecycle component. This ensures that all necessary modules are included. Finally, the user should inject the navigation entries into the desired class. This is done using the @inject annotation to access the multi-bound set of navigation entries. Fun fact, did you know that Dagger is named after a type of knife? Just like a dagger, it cuts through the complexity of dependency injection. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution was provided by a user named Jeff Bowman. He discovered that he needed to include the includes directive in the plugin module. This adjustment allowed him to properly bind the multi-bindings across different Gradle modules. Jeff was guided by a blog post from Zach Sweers, which helped him understand this requirement for Dagger multi-bindings. This small change made a significant difference in his implementation. Here's the tip I promised. Always double-check your component dependencies and ensure that all modules are correctly included. This simple step can save you a lot of time and frustration. And there you have it. With the right setup, your Dagger multi-binding should work seamlessly across Gradle modules. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Dagger and Android development.